Hello, it is Sarah. I wanted to come on here and show you guys how to use essential oils with face masks. Face masks are going to be a way of life for a lot of people in the country, and I know they're not easy to wear all the time. They can become difficult to breathe, claustrophobic. So I wanted to show you guys some essential oils and how to use them to help make your mask wearing experience more enjoyable. And this one I have is actually by Bracelets by Katrina. You can find her on Instagram and Etsy. I love my face mask, and she also made one for my son too. So the first one I'm going to do is wild orange. You can't help but smile when you smell wild orange. It is like sunshine in a bottle. So it helps relieve those emotions of fear, stress. It's just a nice, happy oil. So what I do is I would just tap the top, not even using a drop, so it's very cost effective, and tap the mask. It's that simple. And these masks can be washed. So that's wild orange. You can also use peppermint. Peppermint has been shown to improve lung function, and it's a nice just perk me up. I like to blend the two, wild orange and peppermint. It's what I call the get it done with a smile blend. So same thing, tap the top. Definitely don't use a full drop of peppermint. It can be pretty potent. And since it can be a little potent, I wouldn't do the top nose area. I would actually do more the mouth area, just so your eyes don't get a little blast of peppermint. And it is that simple, you guys. So thanks again. Wear those masks, keep people safe, and use your essential oils.